Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Juniper HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juniperhr.in and press enter. You will now directly be taken into the sign-in page for Juniper HR. Now type in your username or your email address that you used while signing up to create your account within the username or the email address box. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box. And now you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your Juniper HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password underneath and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Juniper HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.